Alright guys, hello and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan, I will be your host as always. But we're back here walking the boulevard on the north end of the strip, over by Wynn Encore. We're going to take you guys up towards Resort World, the fashion show, and all of the stuff that they have here on the north end of the boulevard. Sun is almost coming to a set over the mountains, so you know what that means. Night is fast approaching for us to do this night filming for you guys, just like you guys have requested. This video we're shooting 4K 30 frames per second in super view mode, just because we've been having some issues with longevity of the video with the 4K at 60 frames per second. So we're trying something a little bit different and see how this works. Got a cool little fountain thing over here at the Wynn. So this will take you, if you go right, that will take you straight to the casino entrance here at Encore Wynn. We are actually going to go on the other side of this, on the boulevard side, and walk up and down the boulevard for you guys and show you some sights on the North Boulevard. Waiting for that sun to go down, waiting for all the lights to turn on for you guys so we can take you along on this adventure for the nighttime. A lot of you guys have requested this. I haven't done it because GoPro has generally had pretty crappy low light. I do have a light with me in case conditions get really bad, but try and avoid that at all costs because it will upset the people walking the other way and the other direction. The nice part about this part of the boulevard is if you're vlogging, doing anything like that, you don't really stand out because there's not really a whole hell of a lot of people next to you, so that's kind of nice.
You must be one of the newer fellows.
Over to the left is the fashion show here in Las Vegas. It's a giant mall. So for all you ladies that like to do a lot of shopping, that's definitely the place to do so because they have tons of shops. I think they got 3 or 4 floors in total in that place. But tons of places to go buy stuff and spend that holy money in your pocket. And so I'm going to show you what they're talking about with Resort World. So one of you guys requested Resort World. I'm up here, so I'm going to show you the status and progress of that here in Las Vegas. So you guys will see that in just a moment. You'll see what they're talking about with the striking resemblances from Resort World to the Encore Wynn. So we'll show you guys what everybody is talking about, but still has a lot to be done yet. So they got some shops. And it looks like on the bottom part is all restaurants, places to eat across the street at the fashion show. So now over in the left here, that is your Resort World. So if you notice anything strikingly resembling the Encore or the Wynn up over here, almost identical in design. It's almost copycatish, and that's what the lawsuit was all regarding. Was Encore Wynn was upset that Resort World basically had mimicked or copied their design with the side of the building, but Resort World is getting the outside done. None of the inside is done. So for the outside, it's about 75% complete with just getting the windows up, but the inside is just a concrete shell, so plenty more to be done with that, but at least you guys can see that here. Now we are just passing by the Wynn here and upcoming on the Wynn Plaza shops. So if you guys look at Wynn right here, Encore right here, and Resort World, you guys can see what they're talking about. but I do like the way that they did all the hedges and stuff. Looks really, really well. Up over on my right is the Plaza Shops. And if we keep going down this way, this will eventually take you all the way down to Circus, Stratosphere, SLS is all down here. I don't think we're gonna quite go that far, but we will go check out some of the area over here. But that's the nice part about the dusk in the desert is it starts to cool off a little bit. The temperatures get a little bit more bearable and you don't sweat nearly as much. So maybe I'll have to consider doing some more outdoor filming at night instead of doing that stuff during the day, because during the day it definitely seems to be a scorcher and at night it's really not too bad out. So I have to keep that in mind for future vlogs. Maybe you guys are onto something there, requesting night videos, night footage being filmed of Las Vegas. Might actually work out to my advantage. So if you guys are parking here at the Wynn or Encore, they have self-park over here, and they did make an announcement. So the announcement was made that they are no longer going to charge for parking. I guess when they started charging for parking, they noticed a huge backlash of people that were upset with them over charging ridiculous parking fees, especially when the casino is this far out of the way. Well, I mean, it's not really out of the way, but most people don't venture this far up north unless they're coming here for something specific. So now Encore has a pretty nice sports book. I'm a big fan of it. I love it. It's definitely a place that I would chill on football Sunday for sure. The Peppermill stuff is up here, but we're not gonna get nearly that far. We'll probably make it to the SLS, maybe. I guess we'll see. And then we'll start working our way back. Probably stop at the Mirage, gamble for a little bit, wait till the sun sets over the mountains. It's completely dark out, and then we'll do the night vlog and the night viewing of Las Vegas Boulevard, which I know you all are looking forward to that. I am as well. I'm excited to do it for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoy. There's tons more to see, tons more to do on all these adventures, but I'll keep doing it for you. But be sure to comment, post stuff you want to see done. Unfortunately, with this trip, we tried to do some off the strip casinos and resorts, but they were film Nazis, didn't like people filming within them, so that part kind of got dampered out a little bit, but oh well, shit happens. It's starting to feel great outside right now, guys. So beautiful. That warm desert breeze. This is the perfect time to come out to Vegas, is like right about now, right before it gets extremely hot out. This is absolutely the best time. I love it out here, especially this time of year. So if you guys are coming to Encore and you want to park at that parking garage, you certainly can. I always park at Wynn, to tell you the truth, because it's right in the middle of both of them. So it's easy to work your way back up to go back south on the boulevard, I guess. Right now we are on Wynn Boulevard, Resort Drive, and Las Vegas Boulevard. Over on my right, it looks like they got a liquor store, tattoo shop, places to eat. I have to check out what they have up here. Circus is coming up here on the left. Got Yama Sushi, Cuisine Bar. They have a smoke shop up here, a mini market for beer, liquor, and also souvenirs. Tacos El Gordo. That place is always busy for some reason, so the food must either be really good or really cheap. Every time I've always been by here, it's always been busy. They have a big liquor store up here as well. Everything $10 or less. Store is up over on my right. They have a Walgreens, a Ross, Denny's up here. So if you guys are hungry, Denny's sounds good. Look at that, guys. The sun is just now setting over the mountains. So you know what that means? It will be dark very, very, very soon, my friends. Which should mean we'll be able to get a lot of good footage and be able to show you guys all of that here. Up here, guys, is the classic pepper mill. Derek did a review of that as well. Place to grab a bite to eat and check out. They have Ross Dress for Less up here. Denny's is right over on my right hand side here. Tickets and tours, 7-Eleven, souvenirs, and Crazy Fly. They have a bunch of stuff. They have a dispensary up here as well, so if you guys are into that, they have those off of Sahara and Las Vegas Boulevard.
Anh đừng có la em được không? Anh mắc cười quá đi, anh im đi. Người ta đang tính mà. Đi đi, em đi đi.
breeze is starting to pick up a little bit over here. It wasn't breezy at all on the strip, but if you guys hear any of the wind noise, that's why. And over here is the pepper mill. Big LED board for the pepper mill. And I think once we get to SLS, I'll leave off with you guys there. And might just take the tram back. That way I don't have to walk, to tell you the truth. But I guess we'll see. Circus and McDonald's is coming up over here. I ate at that McDonald's a really long time ago. I think that was my very first trip to Vegas. Off over to the right used to be where the old Riviera was. The Riviera is now demolished and gone. Westgate is right over to the right. We will not be going there because I still have to walk all the way down to the MGM. So, but like I said, I got some stops planned along the way so that way I can chill out, relax a little bit, and film this boulevard at night for you guys. So I think once I get right up here, I don't think I'm gonna walk all the way. I might check out the souvenir shop, grab another bottle of water, and then head back for you guys to film the rest of this boulevard at night. But anyway, I think I definitely think that will do it for today's video. I'm gonna leave off with you guys. If you guys like the video, be sure to hit the like button on the video. Be sure to share this with your friends and family. If you haven't already subscribed yet, I don't know what you're doing. But make sure you hit that subscribe channel. Subscribe to the channel, show the channel some love. And yeah, we'll definitely be back with you guys for some more stuff to come. But as always, my name is Ryan. Until next time.